Do what you just did again, real quick for the B-roll.
Oh, okay.
Even a gust, it's like.
Yeah. I think over, like, they could be up in 20-mile-an-hour winds, but over than that, like, you need to say, hey, get the fuck out. So I don't know what they can actually take. Raceway Park.
You get out of that wall and you give her a little bit of this. You go, and yeah, you get the speed up, and then you just fucking huck it, chuck it, football right around the damn turn. I would say maybe your first. I would say maybe your first lap. Try and get a feel for it. But there's a little extra, like, so it's really hard to explain. You come off the wall. Now we have like a little extra pavement on this left side, which will be helpful for you newer guys because it does give you a little extra room that like we didn't have back in the day. But really, otherwise, dude, it's pretty standard. You'll get the hang of it quick. You're gonna want to go quick though. Like it's not like your normal instance where your body's gonna tell you like, oh, shut down in the bank. No, you need to remind yourself, go faster. I need to pick up and go because I don't know how long you've been driving, but your body is so used to, man, I'm off the throttle right there. You're gonna naturally try and shut down there, and that's not what you want to do. You want to go for it. Yeah, tire machines, don't break them. They did good this year. You guys have done great with them this year so far. Nothing too extreme. Let's finish the year on a strong note. With that said, obviously, I think we're all aware of what's going on with this COVID and all that. Let's not pile 900 people into the bathroom today. Let's not be, throwing feces around and things like that. Let's keep it clean and all that. Yeah, so in the event that this is our last event, we just want to thank you guys for coming out this year and showing your support, even though it's been such a fucked up, weird, strange year. We really appreciate you guys coming out, getting your cars all done, and taking care of your shit all year and supporting us. It has been a really good year, and